So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of Windows Update running in background. Now in order to do it, simply hit Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now once you do that, you'll notice the run prompt will open. Now here you have to write this services.msc. Be very careful with all the small details right there, small letters. Uh, Again, now the services section will open. Here you have to locate the Windows Update. You can easily find it because these are all alphabetical order. Now here you'll notice it's running, and hit on this right click over there and you will find this option of properties. Now here you in your case it might be set to automatically or automatically delete start. Just simply make sure to hit on and manual, and if you want to stop it right away you can stop it, or now this process will not run in background if you have manually not started it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.